Hello students, welcome to our sixth lesson of the Unit 5 of Preparatory 2. Our title or lesson for today is Countries of the World. Countries of the World. Who can tell me countries of the world? What does it mean here? Countries of the world.
المدن في العالم.
Yes. Countries of the world. Yes. مدن العالم. Countries of the world.
Yes.
So now we have some homeworks from the previous lesson. So I want the students to read them. So we have the first work from Batul. Okay, Batul Malik. Yes, Batul, can you read
Yes.
your homework to us?
Okay.
Yes.
South Korea, officially the Republic of Korea ROK, is a country in East Asia, constituting the southern part of the Korean peninsula. The population of South Korea is 51.8 million people. The area of South Korea is about 99,720 square kilometers. Koreans grow a special species of flowers, Nakia anemone roses. They make rice cake along with other dishes. I want to visit this country because I'm interested in Asia culture, especially Korean. The places I'd like to go are the Hube Internet Company, the Hube Museum, and the K-pop market, as well as some Korean restaurants like Dakabuki and Ramyeon. Also, I want to go to hanbok design to make my own, and hanbok is a Korean traditional outfit. The things I like to see are the Buddha's temples and K-pop shows, especially BTS.
Yes, very good. Yes, very good, Batul. Thank you so much. Serene, can you start?
Yes. I want to visit England. England is in the United Kingdom. It is 130 square kilometer big. There are 56 million people in the year 2018. They grow, for example, potatoes, wheat, and fruits. They make TVs, radios, computers, and other electronic things. I want to visit England because I want to practice English and I want to see the beautiful sights like the London Eye, River Thames, and the Buckingham Palace.
Thank you so much. Now we will listen to Fatima's work. Yes, Fatima?
Okay. Saudi Arabia is in the continent Asia. Saudi is a huge country with a large population. It's about 34.27 million. The weather is very hot and dry. It's good for pelts, and they even export dates around the world. They grow watermelon and grapes and citrus fruit, also produce oil and gas. Saudi Arabia is famous for the holy places like Mecca and Al-Madinah Al-Munawwara. I would like to go there because I want to go to Mecca Al-Mukarramah and visit the Kaaba and drink Zamzam water and pray there and see Masjid Al-Haram and Masjid Al-Nabawi and many other things.
Yes, Fatima, thank you so much for this work. It's very good. Yes, thank you. Yes, now we will move to our lesson for today. Could you please open page 58 of Unit 5, Lesson 6, Countries of the World. We have 4 sections. The first one, we have to read the words in each row and add another word to each group. So we'll take one of these words and we add them here. Then we have to read the sentences and we have also to label the map with the country names. So we have 2 countries here and 2 countries here and another country. So we have 5 countries. So we have to write their names. Okay, then we have to read the paragraph A to F, decide together which country each paragraph is about. Hello? Okay, then we have the section B. We have exercises on the workbook A to C. Okay, So now we will move to section A. A, read the words in each row and add another word to each group from the box. So we have north, south, east, and we have to choose one of these words here. Then we have top, center, right. Then we have to choose another word from these words we have here. We have mountains, rivers, islands, and we have to choose another word from here. Then we have towns, cities, and also we have to choose another word from here. So north, south, east. So here we have north, south, east, and we have another word start with W, which is
West.
yes, west. Then we have
West.
top, yes, top, center, we have right. So what is the opposite of right? So it is
Left.
yes, left. So we have mountains, rivers, islands, then we have yes, lakes, because it is similar to this. Yes, we have mountains, rivers, islands, and lakes. Then we have towns, cities, and also
Villages.
villages. Yes, very good. So the first one, it is
West.
yes. The second
West.
one,
Left.
yes. What about the fourth one? The third one,
Lakes.
sorry, the third one. Lakes. Yes. What about the last one, which is the fourth?
Villages.
Yes, villages. Yes, very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we will move to section B. So section B, so this is section B. So we choose the map here, we wrote the map here because it will help us, okay? So Italy is north of Libya. Italy is north of Libya. So here we have the north, we have the south, we have the west, we have east. So Italy is north of Libya. So where's the north of Libya? So is it here, here, or here, or here, or here? So it is here.
North.
Yes, so this is the north. So this is Italy, because here we say that Italy is north of Libya. So what about Mexico? Mexico is southeast of
southwest.
Italy. So this is
Southwest.
Italy.
Yes.
Yes. Where's the southwest of Italy?
Mexico.
Where Mexico
Yes, so
is.
this is, so it will be here. So this is Mexico. South Africa is south of Libya. So South Africa is south of Libya. So where's the south of Libya? It is here. Yes. So where's South Africa? So this country is the South Africa. So this is South Africa. Okay. China is northeast of South Africa. So where's the northeast of South Africa? So this country here. So this country will be China, because China is northeast of South Africa. So what about the last one? We can say Australia is northeast of China. So where's the southeast? Yes, of China.
Yeah.
So this is Australia. So this is Australia.
Australia.
Yes. Yes, so this is Australia because it is the southeast of China. Yes, very good. So now we will move to the map. So who can tell me what this country is here?
Can I?
So we have only Libya. Look here, we have only Libya. Yes, the first
Can
one.
I please?
Okay, Serene. Yes, Serene, can you start by the first one?
Yes,
So what
it's
is the name of this
Mexico.
country? Yes, so this is Mexico. Yes, Fatima.
Yes.
So what about the second one here? So this one here. What's the name of this country here?
Where is it?
Yes, here.
Can I?
The red, yes, the red circle. The red
Can
sign.
I? Italy.
Yes, so this is Italy. Yes, Nur al-Huda. Yes, Nur al-Huda. What about this country?
Africa.
South Africa. Yes, South Africa. Yes, South.
Can I please, Aisha?
Yes, Aisha. Yes, can you tell us the name of this country?
China.
Yes, so this is China. Yes, so this is China.
China.
Yes. What about
Can
the
I?
last one? Yes, your name, Batul. Yes, Batul.
Australia.
Yes, it is Australia. Yes, very good. This is Australia. Now we will move to section C. Read paragraphs A to F. Decide together which country each paragraph is about. So now we'll read all these paragraphs here from A to F. So we have 6 paragraphs. So each paragraph from these are talking about a specific country, so about different country. So I want you to guess which name, the name of the
Can I
country.
guess A?
So yes, I need 6 students. Yes, I need 6 students.
Yes.
Can I?
Can
Okay.
I?
So number
Fatima.
1, yes, number 1, Serene. Number 2,
Fatima.
Can I,
okay.
Aisha?
Number 2, Fatima. Number 3, Aisha. Yes.
Me. Can I? Can I?
Yes. Your name, please, Batul. Batul will be
Can
D.
I?
Arwa. Your name, please. Tell me your name.
Aisha.
Okay, Aisha will be D. Okay, Aisha, D. What about E?
Me.
Your name?
Nur al-Huda.
Nurhuda, I think number C or C. So this paragraph,
Okay.
Nurhuda, okay. So now we will start Serene, Fatima, Nur al-Huda, Aisha. Okay, we have 4 paragraphs. Yes, Serene, can you start from A?
Maybe it's England or Australia.
Okay, it is a very, look carefully, we didn't talk about England. So we talked about just about 6 countries. So we talk about Australia, we talk about Italy, we talked about Libya, China, Mexico, and South Africa. So we talked
Okay.
about these 6 countries.
Australia.
So it is Australia because
It is a
it
very
is a very large island.
large
So it is a
island.
very large island. So it is Australia. So what about the second one? Yes, Fatima.
Maybe, yes, maybe it's not, it's
Read
South
it
Africa.
first. So you have to read it first, Fatima.
There are mountains in the center of the country. There are also mountains in the north. There are 2 large islands.
Islands, yes. So it's hard to
Australia.
guess because we didn't talk about these countries. So we can say, yes, can you guess? There are mountains in the center of the country. There are also mountains in the north. There are 2 large islands. Yes, can you guess? Is it Italy or South Africa or Libya, China or Mexico? So from islands, so from the word islands, you can guess. So islands, so all over it, it is water from the sea. Look carefully here. So we can't say this country because all of it are in the middle of countries. So we can say also, we can say Mexico maybe, or we can say also Italy. I think it's Italy. So Italy is the right answer. Okay, Fatima.
Okay.
So yes, Italy is the right answer. Yes, Italy is the right answer. Yes, Nur al-Huda.
Okay.
Yes,
There
paragraph.
are mountains on the west coast. There is a large lake in the southeast of the country.
Yes, which country you think? Yes.
South Africa.
Yes, South Africa. Yes, South Africa. It is South Africa. So it is South Africa. There are mountains on the west coast. There is a large lake in the southwest of the country. What about D? Yes, Aisha?
This is a large country, but a lot of the land is desert. There are also 3 mountains. I think it's Libya.
Yes, it is Libya. It is Libya. Yes, it is Libya. What about E?
Okay. There are 2 very long rivers.
They start in the mountains in the center of the country. They go to the coast in the east.
Yes. So we have
It's
two
China.
countries. Yes, it is China, not Mexico. So it is China.
China.
Okay. Who can tell us the last one? The last
Can
one.
Can I please?
Yes, Aisha. Yes, Serene, you read number 1, which is A.
There are mountains in the southeast. A large river starts in the mountains and goes to the coast in the west. It's Mexico.
Yes, it is Mexico. Yes, it is Mexico.
Mexico.
So now we will move now to the work. So could you please open your workbook on page 54, Unit 5, Lesson 6, Countries of the World. So we have 3 sections, A, B, and C. So now we will start from section A, page 54. Look and read, tick or cross the sentences and correct the incorrect sentence. So we mean here, so if the sentence is right, so you make a tick like this. If it's wrong, you will write wrong and you tell us the correct sentence. For example, here, China is a very small country, so it is wrong. So China is a very large country. So China is a very large country. So what about number 2?
Me, please.
Yes,
Can I?
Aisha. Yes, Aisha.
Can I?
The capital of Beijing.
Yes, Beijing.
right.
Yes. So it is right. Yes,
Right.
it is right. So the capital is Beijing. What about 3?
Right, Aisha.
Yes, Aisha.
It is in the northwest of the country. No, it is in the northeast of the country.
Yes, it is in the northeast of the
Northeast of
country.
the country.
What about 4?
Can I?
Yes, Serene.
Wrong. It's near
Yes,
the coast.
yes, near the coast, not near a lake. Yes. What about 5?
Can I?
Yes, Fatima.
There is a lake in the center of the country. Yes.
Yes. What about 6 1? It is called Qinghai. Yes. Aisha. Yes, Aisha.
What's Qinghai?
Yes, it is called Qinghai.
What does mean Qinghai?
So the name.
Yes.
So the name of the lake here, there is a lake in the center of the country. So we're talking about the lake again. It is called Qinghai. So it is right. As we say here, the capital is Beijing because we are talking about China. So the capital is this, and it's the same here. We are talking about the lake, so we're talking about the lake again. So what about the 7th one? So it's wrong. So who can correct?
Can I?
Yes, Serene.
There are many high mountains in the center and the southwest of the country.
Yes, so the right answer is the southwest of the country. Can tell us 8, number
I can.
8. Okay, Fatima.
They are called the Everests.
So
They
it
are
is wrong.
They're called the Everests.
The Himalayas. So the right one is Himalayas, not Everest. Okay, who can tell us number 9?
Can I?
Yes, Aisha.
There are 2 large rivers. I think is
So it is
right.
yes, it is right. Yes, it is right. Who can tell us number 10?
Can I?
Yes, Aisha. Yes, Aisha.
They
They
flow from the Himalayas to the coast in the south. It's wrong. They flow from the Himalayas to the coast in the east.
So when we say they flow, what we mean by they here? Yes, yes. We mean rivers here.
Yes.
مجموعة من الرجل.
This is they. Okay. Who can tell us number 11?
Can I?
Yes,
Can
your
I?
name. Yes, your name, please.
Serene.
Yes, Serene.
It's right. True.
Yes, it is true. Can you read it?
Yes. There are the Yangtze and the Red River.
Yes, and the Red River. Who can tell us number 12?
I
I
can.
can.
Yes, yes, Fatima.
The Yangtze is north of the Yellow River. False.
Yes,
The
false,
Yangtze
because
is
the
south of
Yangtze,
the Yellow
yes, the
River.
Yangtze is south of the Yellow River. Yes, who
River.
can tell us the last one, which is 13? Who can read it?
I can.
Yes,
can.
yes, Serene, you read
Aisha.
before. Yes, Fatima. Okay, Aisha,
Aisha.
you read also. Muhammad al-Mannawi. Yes, Muhammad al-Mannawi. Yes, can you read number 13 here? Yes, number 13.
The city of Shanghai is on the Yellow River.
Yes, the city of Shanghai is on the Yellow River, so it is right. Okay. Now we will move to section B. Read and match. Read and match. So we have these words here and another words here. So we have to match these words with these words here. We have to match the number with the letters here. Who can tell us? For example, we say Libya, we can say it is a
Can
country.
I?
We can say
I
Tripoli
can.
is the capital
Fatima.
city. Yes. Okay, we need number 1. So Aisha, okay, Aisha, number 1.
China
Me
is the country.
هو
Yes, Aisha.
me
We have two
هو
Aisha. We have two Aisha. So one
Yes,
Aisha.
I'm
Yes.
Aisha Abdurrahman.
Okay, Aisha number Abdurrahman. Okay, say number 1, and the other Aisha say number 2.
Can I say number 3?
Okay, Fatima number 3.
China, a city.
So China.
Is a
China. Tripoli, we can say it's the capital city. For example, we say Zawiya, it is a city, but Libya is a country. So China,
It's a country.
yes, very good. So China is a country. Yes. What about the second one?
Yes.
We say Beijing is, yes,
Beijing
Aisha?
is the
The capital city.
Yes, so yes, Beijing is the capital city. What about the third one?
The Himalayas.
So
a river.
yes, so Himalayas.
Mountains.
So they are mountains. Yes, they are mountains. So mountains of Himalaya. Yes. What about the fourth one? Yes, Serene.
A river. The
Yes.
Yangtze.
Yes.
A river.
Yangtze is a river. Who can tell us 5? Yes. Yes, Shanghai is.
City.
Shanghai is a
Yes,
river.
it is a city. Yes, Shanghai is a city. And we have
Queen
Qinghai.
Jahan
Yes,
lake.
Qinghai. It is.
is a river.
LA.
So it
A
is
lake,
a lake.
sorry.
Yes,
A
it
lake.
is a
A
lake.
lake.
Yes,
A
it is a lake. So we can say
It's a lake.
China is a country.
Big
Yes, Beijing and
Beijing.
Himalayas and Shanghai and also
Yangtze.
Shanghai and Qinghai. Yes, so it is a lake.
King.
So now we will
Yeah.
move to the last section, which talks about the adjectives here. So complete
Oh,
this table. So although these
Nice.
words here are just one syllable, these are just one syllable. We can say cold, warm, small, big, hot, wet, large, nice, dry, sunny, and rainy.
rainy.
So what we can do to these words to make them like
I
this.
can.
So what we
I
can
make
add?
warm
So what we can
I
add to
can-
these words? What we can add to these words?
Can I?
Yes, just tell me what we can add in this section and what we can add in this section. Yes, ER in this section. And what about
EST.
EST.
yes,
in
yes.
this
Who
section.
can tell me any sentence about cold and another sentence about colder and another
Can I?
sentence about coldest?
Can
Okay,
I?
Serene.
Can I,
Yes.
Aisha?
Okay, Serene, tell me about cold. Aisha will tell me about colder. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Can I tell
Serene.
you about coldest?
Yes, Fatima will tell us about coldest.
England is cold.
Very good. Yes, Aisha.
The weather is colder than yesterday.
Very good, Aisha. Yes, Fatima.
The weather is much coldest.
So it is the coldest.
Cold.
We can say it is the coldest. Okay. So we can say it is the coldest. Okay. So now who can tell us number 2?
Can I?
Yes. Okay. Aisha.
Warm. A sentence of like ER.
No. Yes. ER or EST. Yes. Just ER or
Warmer.
EST. So
Warmer
because the
and
question said that we have to complete this table, we are not going to tell sentences. So just complete this table
Warmer.
here. Yes. Yes.
Warmer.
Warmer. Yes. The second one.
warmest.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Who can tell us number 2? Small.
Can I?
Me.
Okay, Aisha.
I can.
Yes, Aisha.
Next one, it's smaller,
Yes, smaller.
and another one, it's smallest.
Okay, yes, smallest. Very good. Yes, Serene. So we have big, bigger, biggest. Okay, so Serene, hot.
Yes.
Hot.
Hot. Hotter. Hottest.
Yes, hot, hotter, hottest. Okay, who can tell us wet?
Me.
Your
I
name,
can.
please. Your name.
نور الهدى.
Yes, Nur al-Huda.
Wetter.
Yes,
Wet.
wettest. Yes, wet, wetter, wettest. Yes, who can tell us we have large, larger, largest. What about nice?
I can.
Yes, Fatima.
Nice, nicer, nicest.
Yes, nice, nicer, nicest. Dry, drier, driest. And we have sunny now.
Sunny. Sunny.
Sunnier.
Sunniest.
Sunniest.
Yes, sunniest. So because these words are just one syllable, we have to add ER and EST. But for example, we can say the word beautiful and the word wonderful. We can't add ER or EST. We will add more beautiful and most beautiful. Okay.
Yeah.
Who can tell
Yeah.
us the last one? We
Can I?
have rainy.
Me.
Rainy.
Can I?
Your
Can
name,
I?
please. Your name.
Rainy.
Batul.
Serene.
Rainy.
Your name, please.
Serene.
Yes, Serene, you read before Aisha, you read before Fatima. Arwa. Arwa Adel.
Yes.
Yes. The last one here.
Rhinos.
Rainy. Rainier. Rainiest. Yes.
Rainier.
Yes.
Rainiest.
Yes. Rainy. Rainier. Rainiest. Okay. So we finished our lesson for today. Did you understand our lesson for today?
Can I read
Yes.
my
Yes.
homework?
Okay. Yes,
Yes.
Aisha. So Aisha will read her homework first. Then we will end our lesson. So this is your work, Aisha.
Yes.
Yes.
Note area is about 9.
So 9,000 or 9 million.
3 million.
Yes.
Weather.
Yes, go on. Yes, go on, Aisha. Yes, go
Yes.
on. We are
Weather
listening.
rainy, cold. Industry, paper, clothing, and gold. Canada. Canada is a huge country with a large population. The weather is rainy and cold. They grow wheat, oats, and barley. They also produce paper, clothing, and some gold. It is in North American continent. You can see the CN Tower, and the humpback whales. Canada is famous for it. And also the famous art in Canada is Ronaldo and Northern River. You can go to Victoria by the Sea town and Botchart Gardens and also Woodbine Beach. I would like to visit it because I want to see all of these famous things. And also I would like to study there. Have you ever been to Canada? No. Now is the time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aisha. And thank you, everybody. Did you understand our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
And see you next Sunday.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you.